Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today I have an episode of Try It, Don't Buy It. Now, some of you know I am a party planner, which means that I get requests from my clients all the time. And this time I had a client who wanted to make on-site sticker photographs. So they wanted to take photographs that are on their iPhones and things and make them into stickers. So I had to start doing a lot of research. And one of the things I came up with was this Kodak Smile Instant Digital Printer. And we're going to do a little try it, don't buy it on my dear friend, Kodak Smile. So here's our little Kodak Smile Instant Digital Printer. Now, I have to say one thing. I am a Kodak fan. Like, my first printer that I ever had was a Kodak little printer, and I loved it until they stopped making the paper things for it, the ink and the chargers and stuff, which was a bummer. Okay, so you can see it's pretty simple. You've got a charging cord, which you just plug in to your little cube, and then you've got these little booklet, and then it comes with the paper. So I've already used up my paper, so I got another pack of paper right here, which I'll show you in just a second. So this is your little printer. Believe it or not, this is it. And you pull it down like that, and then you can see there's the light right there. That means that it is on. Now you're going to need an app to make this work. So you go to your phone, and you have to make sure that you have this Kodak Smile app. And that blinking light was telling you that it was trying to connect. Okay, so now I'm going to just print a picture for you guys. So let's see, I'm going to go to my recent pictures, and I'm going to print. There was this lady that I met the other day who is a writer, and this is her book. And I'm going to print a picture of her. Here we go. And it's just going to print. Now, what's kind of fun about this is that if you wanted to, you can add filters, you can do stickers, you can do borders. If you're linked up to your Instagram account, you can print things from your Instagram account. And look, it's telling me, what a masterpiece. This is meaning that it is printing, it's happy, and here it comes. Once you've got it going, you don't need your phone anymore, which is cool. And here's the really, really cool thing about this. All of the ink that you need, you don't have any cartridges or anything. It's all in the paper. So it's all in the paper. Everything that you need is in the paper, which I think is really pretty cool. And then check this out. This is when it comes out, you're going to see this is a sticker. So that's the cover of the book that I took a picture of so that I can make sure that I get it as soon as I have a chance. And then you can peel the back of this off. You've got a sticker. And this is like, you know, like a real plastic coated sticker. So I can take that, put it on the back of my phone, and there you have it. So there you got it. This is this little teeny printer. And I got to tell you, for $99.99 at this point in time, and $7.99 for 20 photo stickers, I'm going to say try it. Because I think these are really amazing, especially because you don't have to buy ink cartridges and everything is included. So as far as I'm concerned, try it, don't buy it. Definitely try it. For more great ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.